Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project Glioma grade classification using CNN and segmentation with an adaptive approach using histogram features in brain MRIs. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. This process is proposed a computer-aided detection and classification of brain tumor using the morphological reconstruction method, as well as then the deep learning method is used to classify whether the input image is the tumorous or non-tumorous. Then the image is pre-processed to remove the noises and artifacts and then segment to find the region of interest with the probable tumor. In case of any noises is present in the image, it will be removed during the noise removal in the pre-processing stages. Then the affected tumor portion will be extracted from the other background portions. Then the textural and statistical features are extracted from the segmented image to classify whether the image is having the tumor in the image or not. In case of tumor is there, the statistical features and then the textural features will be extracted from the image. Then those features are stored as two kinds, as an test feature and train features. Then the result shows the segmented image have the high accuracy with the high sustainability, reducing the computational time. Hence, by attaining the high sustainability and accuracy, the classification shows the tumor and non-tumor, which is having the high capability of classifying all the images with the short period of time. Then the final result will be shown as the whether the image is having the tumor or non-tumor in the MRI images. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall working flow of this project. This project consists the module such as the input image, pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction, classification, and finally performance. At first, as usual, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset consists of lot of images which is having both the tumor as well as the non-tumor images. After collecting any one image from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing, we have to use the median filter in the range of 3x3 matrix, which is reducing the noises present in the image, as well as the sub step of the pre-processing is the image resize as well as the grayscale conversion. In case of the dimension of the image is high, in the sense the image resize will be carried out to reduce the dimension of the image, or else in case of the dimension of the image is very low, the resize will be carried out to improve the dimension of the image. After doing the pre-processing, we just move to the third stage of the project, that is the segmentation. In this segmentation, we are using the three kinds of segmentation methods to complete the segmented portions. So by using these three methods, first thing is the mathematical morphological, then the second thing is the connected components, then the third thing is the fuzzy sequence clustering. By using the three techniques, we are segmenting the brain as well as the tumor portion separately. So apart from the tumor, everything will be the background. Only the tumor region will be the region of interest, as it is considered as a foreground region. After segmenting the portions, the feature extraction will be carried out. In this feature extractions, the deep learning as well as the pattern recognition method is used to extract the features from the images. After extracting the features from the images, those features are considered as a test feature for the input image alone. Along with the test feature, we have to import the train features and then the label of the each features. After doing this one, we just move for the classification. In this classification, we are going to do the machine learning classification to classify whether the input is affected or not affected. In case of affected, it will consist as a tumor, or else it will be the normal one. After doing the classification, the performance estimations will be carried out. In this performance estimations, we have three kinds of performance will be there. As usual, the accuracy, precision, recall, along with the F measure. So it will be calculated based on the basis of true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negative. Now we're going to discuss about the initial running procedure of the process. At first, open the Matlab 2019B and then change the current directory. If you want to execute the process, just right click in the main_GUI.m and select the fourth option, run. After doing the selection of the run, the user interface will be open. This is the graphical user interface, otherwise the GUI. After opening this one, you can see the several buttons in the right side for the controlling, several axes and tables in the left side for the display purpose. First of all, we have to click the button input image. After clicking the button input image, the dataset will be appear. In that dataset, you can see the lot of images which is having the tumor as well as the non-tumor. We have to select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the image, the corresponding image is shown in the axis 1 with the title of input image. After doing the selection, we just move to the pre-processing. In this pre-processing, we have three stages of pre-processing will be there. One is the image resize, then the second one is the image noise filtering, then the third one is the grayscale conversion. In the resize, the dimension of the image will be changed as 256 cross 256, which means the number of row will be the 256, number of column will be the 256. After doing the image resize, the filtering is applied to remove the noises present in the image. After removing the noises, in case the image is looking like a grayscale but it is having the RGB band, in the sense the RGB band is converted into a grayscale band. After doing the pre-processing everything, we just move to the third stage of the project, that is the segmentation. So in this segmentation, first of all we have to strip the skull regions. So this is the skull regions. We have to eliminate the skull regions separately. After doing the elimination of the skull regions separately, we have to extract the tumor portion separately. So in that axis you can see the results. They segmented only the tumor portions will be extracted, other backgrounds will be eliminated, completely eliminated as in black color. After doing the segmentation, we just move to the fourth stage of the project, that is the feature extractions. So in this feature extraction, we are extracting the three kinds of features based on the convolutional neural network as well as the pattern and textures. So we have to extract the features from the images. Those features are stored in these tables. After doing the feature extraction, the classification will be carried out. In this classification, it will denote whether I am giving one image, whether it is a tumor image or non-tumor image. The first result will be displayed like this. Then the secondary results will be displayed as it is a tumor, but which kind of tumor is there, whether it is a benign type or else the malignant type, so whatever it is. So it will be displayed as a benign type. After doing the classification, we just move to the next stage of the project, that is the performance estimation. We have to estimate the performance like this. So this is the performance graph around, this is the graph. So the percentage of performance will be denoted here. The accuracy is around 98%, sensitivity is 100%, specificity is 96%. So after estimating the performance everything, the post-processing steps will be carried out. In this post-processing steps, we can calculate the area of the brain. So area of the brain pixels, so total number of brain pixels, so total number of pixels in the image. So you can see the everything here. So finally, the percentage of tumor will be calculated. Based on this, it will do the severity calculation, whether it is severe or mild, so whatever it is. So this is the consideration post-processing step.